Jump.
Are we gonna have an intro?
Jump.
Are we gonna have an intro?
I'm Michael.
I'm Sean.
And before we get to hitting this rail, we're gonna show you guys how we made it.
Took a lot of work, and you'll see.
What are we building?
What are we doing?
Your mom.
What are we doing?
Trying to find an outlet. House is retarded. We're about to make a snowboard rail.
It is 8 degrees out with a wind chill of -8. Quite possibly the coldest night of the year. We're making a snowboard rail.
Alright, so to make this rail, we have our base here. Then we're going to have this coming up. And this on top. That'll give us a good length we want, about 1.5 feet. And then we got this PVC here that we're going to use for our rail. And in order to put that on top, we're putting 2 blocks on the edge, and the PVC pipe is going to sit in right there, and it'll look like a field goal, kind of like these we've drilled already. And we'll have one on each end, one on the middle, and should be good to shred. What? Sorry, they're making me say this. I don't know if I could have made this project thanks to Yahoo. Delicious. I love my Yahoo. Shake before consumption.
Alright, we've been working on this for about 2 hours, and we're just about done. We're going to connect the pipe to the wood. Michael, take it away.
So what we're doing now is putting screws in at an angle so it'll meet the PVC pipe, because the wood doesn't connect with it because it's round.
There we go.
Just like that. PVC is connected to the frame.
Hard work pays off.
Now we'll do it to the next two, and it'll be ready to shred.
Alright, what's up guys? We're done. It took us about 2.5 hours, but it looks good. Now we're going to make it look even better by spray painting it. Let's hope this doesn't take too long because it's very cold out.
Alright guys, it's the next day. The rail has been drying all night, and it's looking good.
Yeah, it's a solid 0 degrees outside, but it's a beautiful day, and we're going to go hit this up, drive about an hour back to my house, and go shred it up. It's going to be good.
So what do we do, Sean?
We forgot your snow pants, so we're going back to the house.
Every time.
Happens every time. Alright guys, what is up? We finally made it to the hill. It's been a long day. It's about 3:30. We've been up for a while. We finally made it. We got everything back here, hot chocolate, everything else, and we're about to go shred it, baby.
Yeah, we need a mic. Alright, there's a little jump here already, but we're gonna have to build that up a little so we can reach the height of our rail.
Bitch, you got it. Oh shit!
Just to give you guys some perspective for our jump to rail here, it's the rail is not sturdy, and that's why I ate it pretty hard. Didn't hit it perfect, so let's see if Sean can get on there good. Oh!
This is suicide! This is suicide! James! God almighty! Send get help out here! Get some help for him!
As you can see, he broke the rail, but we've switched it around to make it an up rail now. We put in about 3 hours of this, so we're not going to give up this easy. And Michael, what do you got to say to the viewers?
Honestly, if I wasn't making this video, I would have quit right then and there. My butt hurts a lot, but I love making these videos and I want to make it big. So I'm trying to put in the work.
You hear that? We're staying here till that sun sets, baby. We ain't giving up.
Sean's up there strapping in, but I'm gonna show you here what we've done since these two legs broke. That one's strong, so we put it at the end, and we just kind of put the broken one right in there. So should be a little bit better, and we adjusted the ramp because it was a little too steep, so you're kind of going up in the air and then landing on the rail. So now it'll be more mellow, and hopefully we don't eat it so hard now. See if we can make it to the end.
You got it. Damn it.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh!
Nice!
Made it!
I thought you were gonna make it. Thank you for watching!